people, how una dey? I know say you don't say when we done yarn. I go tell you now wetin happen when the time dey right. But for today, I wan talk about this Valentine season. You know say for Valentine season, love dey do sweet sweet. E go dey sweet you for belle. Like say you take sugar or you take honey. But I get advice for now. The first thing wey I go tell you for this Valentine season na say no spend money wey you no get. Dat money wey you dey plan, you dey save, you wan take am do better thing. You dey plan, you wan take am do some investment. You dey plan, you wan take am do dat better thing. No let one woman turn your eye o. No be say the woman do like say, no let her turn your eye o. No go restaurant wey you know say you no go fit pay the bill o. No enter wahala, no spend money anyhow. And dat one lead me to the number 2 advice. Number 2 advice be say no eat food wey you no know. I know say all of us dey wan do oyibo thing. We go wan eat all those mede food. Abeg, if you no know food, no eat food wey you no know, because toilet go hear am o. Make you no go dey public place, you go dey run left, right and center. You go dey look for where you wan go ease yourself. Abeg, eat the food wey you no know. Na im be the second advice. The third advice na say no go where you no sabi o. Now for wetin dey happen for our country, for Nigeria, people no just dey waka kurukere. No follow person wey you no know. No go where you no sabi, because no be every journey dem dey go dem dey come back o. So make una shine una eye this season of Valentine, and make una tell me for comment how una go spend una Valentine, or una don spend am. Make una gist me o. Till I see una for the next video when I go talk about something wey go sweet una for belle. Make una take care.